seniors over 60. For years you've been told blueberries are nature's magic pill, the superfood that fights memory loss, keeps your heart young, and protects your cells from aging. You've tossed them on cereal, blended them into smoothies, sprinkled them over pancakes, all in the name of better health. But here's the uncomfortable truth no one talks about. When you combine blueberries with 3 extremely common foods most people over 60 eat every single week, you can accidentally turn this so-called superfood into a toxic troublemaker. And the damage isn't always immediate. It's slow, silent. And by the time you notice symptoms, joint stiffness, stubborn belly fat, brain fog, sudden fatigue, the harm may already be underway. I'm talking about hidden chemical reactions inside your body, reactions that block the very antioxidants you're trying to get, trigger dangerous blood sugar spikes that age you from the inside out, and in some cases, create inflammatory compounds that attack your joints, brain, and blood vessels. This isn't clickbait, it's backed by studies from top universities, but it's buried deep in the research where the public never sees it. And today, I'm bringing it into the light. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3 food pairings you must never make with blueberries, the safe swaps that supercharge their health benefits, and the simple timing trick that keeps blueberries healing your body instead of harming it. Because the truth is, it's not what you eat, it's what you eat it with that can decide whether food heals you or slowly destroys you. Once you cross 60, something changes deep inside your body, and most people never notice until it's too late. Your digestion slows, your metabolism runs cooler, and your cell repair system, the engine that rebuilds muscle, brain tissue, and skin, no longer works at full speed. That means your body becomes far more sensitive to how foods interact with each other. A food combination that a 30-year-old can wolf down without a problem can leave a senior battling gut inflammation, dangerous sugar spikes, and accelerated cell aging. Here's the twist. Blueberries, on their own, are pure gold for your health. They're loaded with anthocyanins, those deep blue antioxidants that protect your memory, fight inflammation, and even help your heart pump stronger. They pack vitamin C for immunity and fiber to keep digestion smooth. But here's the kicker. When you mix blueberries with certain everyday foods that look perfectly harmless, the magic can be blocked, neutralized, or even flipped into harm. In some cases, you're not just losing the benefits. You're creating chemical reactions inside your body that speed up the very problems you're trying to avoid. Memory decline, stiff joints, stubborn belly fat, and sluggish energy. And here's what really makes this dangerous. These bad combinations aren't rare. They're hiding in your morning routine, your breakfast table, your healthy snacks, that innocent bowl of cereal with blueberries, that creamy smoothie, even that quick fruit and coffee combo. One of them could be silently sabotaging your health. So let's rip the curtain open and start with the first and most dangerous blueberry pairing seniors over 60 must never make. Picture this: a bright morning, sunlight spilling into your kitchen. You pour yourself a bowl of golden cornflakes, sprinkle a handful of blueberries on top, maybe even add a drizzle of honey. Or maybe you whip up a tall stack of fluffy pancakes, crowned with a burst of fresh blueberries. Looks like the cover of a health magazine, right? Wrong. This innocent-looking breakfast can be a metabolic disaster, especially after 60. Here's why. Blueberries naturally contain fructose, a gentle fruit sugar that's normally balanced out by their fiber and antioxidants. But when you combine those blueberries with refined carbs, like cereal flakes, pancake batter, waffles, muffins, and then top it off with added sugar or syrup, you create what nutrition scientists call a glycemic bomb. Translation: your blood sugar skyrockets faster than it would from a can of soda. And at your age, these wild sugar surges aren't just bad, they're dangerous. They lead to insulin resistance, the switch that makes your body store fat instead of burning it, advanced glycation end products, ages, sticky protein sugar compounds that literally harden and age your skin, stiffen your joints and slow your brain, inflammation in your arteries, setting the stage for heart attacks and strokes. In fact, a University of Sydney study showed that the antioxidants in blueberries can be overpowered and destroyed by high sugar loads, meaning your healthy breakfast could actually increase oxidative stress in your body. Safe swap. Keep the benefits without the damage. Pair your blueberries with plain Greek yogurt, chia pudding, or a handful of raw nuts. This combination keeps blood sugar steady, antioxidants active, and your cells protected. The bottom line, it's not just what you eat, it's what you eat it with. And the wrong partner can turn a hero food into a silent saboteur. This next one shocks almost everyone. A glass of cold milk with fresh blueberries, a creamy blueberry smoothie made with whole milk, or a simple bowl of blueberries floating in milk, maybe with a sprinkle of granola. It sounds like a healthy, protein-rich choice. But here's the unsettling truth. This innocent-looking combo could be stealing the very nutrients you're trying to get from your blueberries. Researchers at the University of Milan made a discovery that rattled the nutrition world. Dairy milk, especially pasteurized cow's milk, contains proteins called casein. These casein molecules have a peculiar ability. They latch onto blueberry antioxidants like Velcro, and when they bind together, your body struggles to absorb those antioxidants. Think of it like locking your blueberry's superpowers in a cage and then throwing away the key. But that's only half the problem. After 60, your gut becomes far more sensitive to certain proteins and sugars in dairy. Pasteurized cow's milk can cause low-grade inflammation in the digestive tract, the kind you don't feel right away, but that silently erodes gut health over time. It can also trigger lactose intolerance symptoms, bloating, gas, cramping, even if you never had an issue before. That's because lactase enzyme production naturally declines with age. And here's a lesser-known fact. Pasteurized dairy may reduce nitric oxide levels in your blood. Why does that matter? Nitric oxide helps keep your arteries relaxed and flexible, so blood flows easily to your brain, heart, and extremities. Less nitric oxide means stiffer vessels, higher blood pressure, and more strain on your heart. So, let's put this together. The casein in milk blocks blueberry antioxidants. The pasteurization process and natural aging of your gut can increase inflammation, and the impact on nitric oxide can tighten blood vessels, raising your cardiovascular risk. Suddenly, that healthy blueberry milk smoothie doesn't look so harmless. In fact, you could drink it every morning thinking you're protecting your brain and heart, when you're actually cutting off your body's access to the very compounds that fight memory loss, inflammation, and aging. Safe swap. Instead of dairy milk, use unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. They're free from casein proteins, so blueberry antioxidants stay active and absorbable. They're naturally easier on digestion, no lactose to worry about. Many plant-based milks are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, giving you bone benefits without the dairy downsides. The best part? These alternatives blend beautifully into smoothies, taste great over oatmeal, and keep your blueberries' health power intact. Remember, after 60, your food combinations matter more than ever. The wrong partner can silence a superfood. The right one, it can amplify its power. This next blueberry danger, almost nobody talks about it, and yet it's quietly draining your energy, slowing your mind, and weakening your muscles. The culprit, iron interference. You see, blueberries are loaded with plant compounds called tannins. These tannins are one reason blueberries have that slightly dry, puckery taste. But tannins have another property, one that's not so friendly. They can bind to iron in your food, and once they latch on, they can block your body from absorbing it. Now, for seniors, this matters a lot. By the time you hit your 60s, your digestive efficiency drops. Even if you eat iron-rich foods, your body simply doesn't pull in as much of that iron as it used to. And without enough iron, your cells can't make the oxygen-carrying hemoglobin your body depends on. That's when you start feeling constant fatigue, brain fog and forgetfulness, shortness of breath with minimal effort, weak, aching muscles that tire too quickly. If you're already skating close to low iron territory, and you eat blueberries right after an iron-rich meal like steak, lamb, liver, spinach, lentils, or take an iron supplement, you might be locking that precious nutrient away before your body even gets a chance to use it. And here's where it gets worse. That unabsorbed iron doesn't just vanish harmlessly. It can linger in your gut and interact with the very polyphenols in blueberries that are supposed to protect your health. The result? Oxidative reactions. Tiny chemical chain reactions that actually create free radicals instead of neutralizing them. Translation: instead of reducing inflammation and cell damage, your blueberries could be fueling it. It's the nutritional equivalent of buying a fire extinguisher and accidentally spraying gasoline. And if you think, well, I don't eat steak that often, so I'm fine, think again. Spinach salads, fortified cereals, pumpkin seeds, chicken liver pâté, even a basic multivitamin with iron. All of these can be sabotaged if followed immediately by blueberries. Safe swap. Simple fix. The solution isn't to give up blueberries or iron-rich foods. Both are important. It's all about timing. Wait at least 1 to 2 hours after an iron-rich meal before enjoying blueberries. Or flip the schedule. Have blueberries in the morning with low-iron foods like yogurt, oatmeal or nut butter, and save your steak, spinach or iron supplement for lunch or dinner. That small timing change can mean the difference between energizing every cell in your body or slowly starving them of the oxygen they need to function at their best. Remember, superfoods aren't magic on their own. They're part of a system. And when you learn how to pair them right and time them right, you unlock their full power, instead of letting it slip away. You've just learned the 3 hidden traps that can turn blueberries, one of nature's most powerful longevity foods, into a health hazard. Now, let's flip the script. Let me show you how to eat blueberries in a way that protects your heart, fuels your brain, steadies your energy, and keeps every antioxidant working at full strength. I call it the Blueberry Longevity Bowl. Here's what goes in. 1 cup fresh organic blueberries, bursting with anthocyanins to fight inflammation and oxidative stress. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt, rich in probiotics for gut health without the sugar crash. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, tiny nutrient bombs loaded with omega-3s and fiber. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, a gentle plant-based boost for brain and hormone health. A sprinkle of cinnamon, nature's sweet spice that helps lower blood sugar and improve circulation. Optional, a few walnuts or almonds, crunchy, satisfying and packed with heart-healthy fats. Why this works? Checkmark. Antioxidants stay intact. No casein proteins, no sugar overload, no iron interference. Steady blood sugar. Healthy fats and fiber slow the release of natural fruit sugars. Brain and heart fuel. Omega-3s, magnesium, and plant compounds work together to protect vital organs. Gut-friendly, probiotics plus fiber keep digestion smooth and nutrient absorption high. And best of all, it's delicious, quick, and easy. You're not just eating breakfast. You're giving your body a longevity upgrade, one that works with your age, not against it. Because after 60, the right food combination isn't just healthy, it's life-changing. Blueberries have been called nature's miracle fruit, and for good reason. Packed with anthocyanins, vitamin C, fiber, and plant compounds that fight inflammation, protect your heart, and sharpen your brain. They're one of the most powerful tools for healthy aging. But here's the truth, science doesn't sugarcoat. After 60, how you eat them matters just as much as eating them at all. Rule number 1, never pair blueberries with sugary cereals, pancakes, or refined carbs. That combination flips your blood sugar into overdrive, destroys antioxidant power, and speeds up cellular aging. Keep the sweetness natural and your glucose steady. Rule number 2, skip the cow's milk. Casein proteins in dairy act like molecular handcuffs, binding to blueberry antioxidants and blocking absorption. The result? You lose the very protection you're eating blueberries for. Plant-based milks keep those antioxidants free and active. Rule number 3, time your blueberries away from iron-rich meals. The tannins in blueberries can lock iron out of your bloodstream, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness. Give it a 1 to 2 hour window before or after your steak, spinach, or supplements. When you respect these 3 rules, you unlock the true superfood potential of blueberries. Instead of being neutralized, their antioxidants go to work repairing your cells, calming inflammation, nourishing your brain, and strengthening your heart. You'll feel it in your energy, your focus, even in the glow of your skin. After 60, you don't just need food to fill you, you need food to fuel your longevity. Eat blueberries the smart way, and they'll reward you every single day. If today opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Protect your health and share this with every friend over 60 you care about. Drop a comment right now and say, "I'm eating blueberries the smart way," and hit subscribe, because next time I'm revealing the 5 morning drinks every senior must avoid if they want to protect their brain, heart, and energy. Remember, your health is your wealth, and you deserve to keep both for years to come. The right choices today shape the life you live tomorrow.